Greetings, code traders. Just want to give you an update for the code 3 results for the Emini S&P. It is now 2:30 in the morning to me, and I finally am done with the measurements for everything for the code 3. And I just want to do a quick video to give you a quick update. This will be my last video until I have completed the course. After I've completed the course, I'm going to come out and show the trading for all of this. Okay, so here are the results for November 20th, 2018 for the E-mini S&P. There were 11 trades, 8 wins, 1 loss, 2 break-evens, a maximum of negative 8 ticks for the drawdown, and the total ticks for the day was 218 ticks. And you're seeing the day right here. The code 3 was able to grab 218 ticks from this day. Personally, I find that mind-boggling. The E-mini is $12.50 per contract. So for one contract, that would be $2,725 in one day. 5 contracts is $13,635 in one day using the code 3 on the E-mini S&P. Now I have looked at the other charts of everything else, and it is the exact same. Now, I don't know what it is exactly mathematically in terms of ticks, but after seeing the E-mini S&P and measuring it, even on a relatively choppy day, and seeing it being able to nail the trades like that, then it's going to work the same on everything else. A lot of people like to trade the E-mini S&P because it's cheaper to trade that instrument than it is oil. Margin requirements are less. There's also the E-mini NASDAQ and the E-mini Russell 2000 index. Those two also move really good. Gold is completely dead. Bitcoin futures also completely dead. But there are other instruments as well that I could look at, but they're all the exact same. Code 3 basically is the key to the market. Dancing on the head of a pin and making it look easy. Of course, when you're cheating like this, it's not that big of an accomplishment, but when you're in real trading, that's when it's an accomplishment to be able to dance on the head of a pin, to do the impossible and make it look easy. That's what you need to do when you really trade something real, like a stock, for instance. You need to be able to do that. But with this, all you need to do is be able to take entries using a basic, simple method. And of course, place a stop, that type of thing. I have not gotten a chance to do the code 3 for oil yet today because these calculations actually take a long time, and so I've been working at this for many hours to do one chart for one day. But I'm going to use these charts to teach the new course with, the code 3 course, and I'll be doing that this weekend. Anyway, my code trading friends, as you can see, code 3 is the real deal. 218 ticks on November 20th on the E-mini S&P. Oh, and by the way, I'm only counting it from here down to 12 o'clock. I'm not counting the rest of this time. I did not calculate the code 3 for the rest of that time. But it will work. I only did it though to here, so that's like a 12-hour time frame. So I'm going to be doing another chart or two before I do the course this weekend, so I can use all these charts to teach the code 3 with. But I don't plan to be back to do another video. You can just wait now until the code 3 is done, and then you can get it and learn all this information for yourself. You are really going to be impressed and amazed and excited. And what's truly amazing is that you'll be able to do the same exact thing, use the same exact code on all of the instruments. So anything that gets hot, anything that's moving, you can make money from it very easily throughout the day. Anyway, it is really late. I'm going to sleep, and I will upload this YouTube video tomorrow. And so hang in there, everybody. Just a few days away now, and code 3 will be available. You are really going to like this code. This really changes everything. Right now, I'm estimating that by Tuesday, I should have the code 3 available on the website. That's what I'm shooting for right now. So lots to do. Let me get to work, and I will let you know via all YouTube and everything that I am ready to go with the code 3. Until then, happy trading out there, traders.